In this SFX makeup tutorial, we'll be doing healed fake burns like this. You can probably guess the character that these would be for, or along the lines of if you want to maybe do a Freddy Kruger costume for Halloween. So we are going to start off with looped lines. These lines should be a pretty dark red. Go and put these all over your hand, and after you have them down, go and take a Q-tip and blend these. This makeup can also be applied to anywhere on your body. I'm just using my hand because it's easier to show for practice. Now onto some liquid latex. I'm pouring liquid latex into a container because I don't want to cross-contaminate by using a cap or anything like that. Now take a Q-tip and go around all of the different circular pieces that you went and drew earlier. Go pretty slow, you don't want to smudge a lot of the makeup, and also too, you can overlap over some of the different circles as well if you would like to. After you have all of that down, which it's going to take a bit of time, let that layer fully and totally dry, and after that layer is dry, go back in certain areas to give it more of a raised texture. Extend latex on the sides, and after you have that latex extended, go back to the inner portion a small amount and make it look a bit more jagged and fill in some of the different lines a bit more to give it maybe a third layer of some raised structure. Wait for all of this to go and fully and totally dry. It's going to take a bit of time, and after it is dried, go back with a darker red cosmetic, follow this up with a black cosmetic around the inner portion, blend it as well, and also on the sides, put lines and blend them of a dark red cosmetic. Continue to add black into the center of each and every one of the circles, add a small amount of yellow into the circle, dab it out with your finger, let everything dry, and your makeup should look a little something like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. With Halloween and spooky season coming up, there will be a lot more SFX tutorials coming very soon.